This video will show the step-by-step installation process for D3D IP camera model D8017X. Before you start camera configuration, make sure you are connected to same network to which camera will be connected. There should be no special character in your Wi-Fi password. Open the box and take out all accessories. D3D IP camera model D8017X is supplied with power adapter, 2 Wi-Fi antenna, pack of screw, and user manual. Connect Wi-Fi antenna to the camera. Using the power adapter, connect the camera with power supply. After connect the camera with power supply, put a finger on the camera sensor and check IR lights are blinking. Now reset the camera. Press the reset button at least 20 seconds. Insert the micro SD card into the camera card slot. Now search and install mobile application you see. Open the mobile application. Click on Register. Enter email ID. Enter password. Click on Register. Phone will automatically take your register email ID and password. Now click on Login. Click on plus sign to add camera, select Add New Device, click on Smart Link. Your home Wi-Fi name will be shown. Now enter your Wi-Fi password and click on Next. Click on Hear a Beep for connection. Click on Next. Keep the mobile phone nearby the camera during configuration. Phone will produce music sound. After successful configuration, mobile application will ask to give a new name and default password for camera. Now click on Save. Now the D3D camera will be shown online. Click on Camera to see the live video. Thanks for watching the video. For any help, feel free to contact us.